again. Papa, good morning.
Enter inside me because you want to.
No, Papa. Papa, I heard that today is independence. Is that true?
Today is independence.
Yes, Papa.
Wait, Nigeria got what again?
I heard that Nigeria today is independence, Papa.
No problem. No problem.
But Papa, there's problem. You need to take me out.
Go out for shopping.
Yes, Papa.
So that they will poison you.
No, Papa, nah.
My friend. Go and eat inside.
Papa,
if you want to chop, go inside and chop. Foolish boy.
Papa, but you know, Papa, but let's go out now.
You are out already. What else do you want to do?
Papa, I mean, let's go somewhere.
Okay.
Let's go out for shopping now.
It's okay. When did Nigeria got independence?
Okay, Papa, let me go and get myself.
From this place. Are you okay? I'm trying to give you something.
Oh, Papa. Okay, Papa.
What did Nigeria got independence?
I heard that Nigeria got their independence in the year 16th century.
Ojo, is that what you were taught in school?
Okay,
Good afternoon, sir. Good morning, sir. Good night.
Ojo,
what did I tell you in school?
I heard Nigeria got their independence in the year 16th century.
Nigeria got their... slap him if you want to slap him.
Nigeria got their independence December 25, 1980.
My friend, shut up your mouth. Are you okay?
I'm trying to give you something. I'm his teacher. I taught him in school. So I'm also going to be taught him. Papa is my teacher. He knows everything. Of course. Don't...
Excuse me. When did Nigeria got independence?
That's what I'm just saying. December 25, 1980.
You think it's Christmas? My friend, I will...
good morning all. I was just passing by with my car and I heard you are a foolish boy. You don't even know about Nigeria. Do you even know the day Nigeria got independence? Do you know? You the father. And you this foolish boy. You don't know anything. Teacher. Thank God I didn't go into your school. So October 1st. You don't know it. Nigeria got our independence. October 1st, 1960. But for the Republic, I don't even think you know it. Teacher nowadays. Teacher, father. You don't do anything. Don't worry, 1 year assignment. You go and find out to the Republic.
Even you, the teacher, you don't even know it. My friend,
October 1st, that is what I wanted to say.
friend, shut up your mouth. Your mouth. Don't become anything. Look at him. Ojo, I will change your uniform. I'm going to change your school.
I'm fine.